Today we're going to dive into making a standard utility cabinet. We're going to start by dropping in a base 9-inch left side hinge here, and let's go into the wireframe mode. So to start, we're going to pick our overall size for this cabinet. So let's say we want it to be 36 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and let's make it about 96 tall. So go to our front sections now. We can remove these front elements, front drawer and door, as well as that mid stile. And if we go to our inside sections here, we can remove those shelves. Now I go back to our front. We can split this into a paired doors, which just splits it down into two equal sized doors. And then we can choose a base style door or a wall style door. Go with wall style. So if we go to our wireframe now, we can see that we have this split cabinet here, but the hinges on the opposite sides. So if we go back to our front sections and select that right side, we can change that hinge to right. Can even do top, bottom, pull out, etc. We're going to go with the right side hinge there. Go back to our inside sections here and go ahead and add multiple horizontals. Let's say we want to add 5 openings here and hit OK. It's going to add 4 shelves, 5 separate openings. And then because of my current construction methods, these are going to be 6 inches recessed from the back. If you wanted these to bump all the way to the front of the cabinet here, you can go down to the adjustments, change that over to 0, and do the same thing for the rest of the shelves here. Now, if we want these to be adjustable shelves rather than simple shelves, we can do that just by clicking on that shelf itself and selecting adjustable. Do the same thing for the rest of them. Now, if we go to our doors and drawers here, and select our wall style drawer, and scroll down, you can see the poles are currently at the bottom. We want them to be centered. Do the same thing for the other door. Go down to poles and hit center. Now, if we go to the top and go to case parts, we can add a top in there. And let's say we wanted this tall utility cabinet to be on wheels or legs. We can do the same thing by going on the toe kick here and selecting legs. Now, if we save this, go back to our design, we now have a tall utility cabinet that stretches to the top of the ceiling, 96 high. You can make this at whatever height, depth, and width you desire. This is just the basic construction, how to change a simple 9-inch cabinet over to a standard utility.